Samantala, bumida naman sa isang art fest sa Cebu City. Ang mahigit sa 1,000 artworks, bahagi po ng kikitain sa exhibit ay bibigay sa mga naging biktima ng lindol sa Northern Cebu. Yan ang ulat ni Jessie Atienza ng PTV Cebu.
Mapapamangha ang mga bisita sa sari-saring obra sa TOPS Art Fest 2025 sa Cebu City. Nilahukan ito ng mahigit 200 visual artists at painters mula sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa. Ayon sa organizers, layunin nilang ipamalas ang importansya ng ebolusyon ng Cebuano art na nagsimulang umusbong noong 1930s.
A celebration of legacy, again, it's not just enough to talk about the people who institutionalized and started it, but for these people, it's always about everything that they've left behind. They've given our artists today the capacity to express their artistry, the capacity to be free with how they create. That is why we enjoy such a vibrant scene today.
Aminado ang organizers na nagkaroon ng aberya sa pagbuo ng aktibidad dahil sa problema sa logistics, dulot ng sunod-sunod na bagyo at pagyanig sa Cebu, sa Davao Oriental at iba pang lugar sa bansa.
So we did have a lot of delays, due to inclement weather, and the back-to-back earthquakes. So those were the different challenges that we were facing also. But in spite of that, like, our containers just arrived last night. It shows the resilience of our artists also. It's like it always comes back down to community, everyone coming and working together to put and mount up a wonderful show.
Kabilang sa mga nakadisplay na mga obra ng kilalang Cebuano artists na sina Julian Humalon at ang tanyag na si Martino Abellana na kilalang Dean of Cebuano Painters. Si Abellana ay isinusulong ng ilan na maitanghal bilang national artist, pero para sa anak nitong si Sister Gemma,
he loved his art. He loved very much. When we were growing up, we saw him like parang that was happiness. It was his happiness just to be in front of his palette and work. Well, it would be an honor if he will become a national artist. It would be a great honor. But if he does not become one, he is already a great artist for all of us, for the family.
4 na araw tatakbo ang TOPS Art Fest 2025 kung saan ang kikitain ay mapupunta sa 2 piling foundation at sa mga biktima ng lindol sa lalawigan. Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.